Remove unwanted hair from private parts permanently. Every person has some unwanted hair on their private parts, and they remove by using some expensive creams, by waxing or by shaving. Because summer is coming and everyone wants to look good in their pictures so that they can share their pics on social media like Twitter, Instagram, etc. These parts are so sensitive and have soft skin. You can't shave it. After waxing and using creams, hair has been removed, but it again appears after some time. Because removing of hairs from private parts is a pretty delicate topic, so people feels ashamed to ask for advice. You should need some permanent solution to get rid of it. Here we have one permanent and cheap solution for you to get rid of them. This method is so simple and easy that involves just one ingredient. You can easily get that. Ingredients: baking soda, boiled water 200 ml. Making method: pour the water into kettle or bowl. Now boil the water well. Put 1 tablespoon of baking soda into water and then stir it. Application method: take cotton and dip it into the mixture of baking soda and water. By using this cotton bud, apply this solution on the area of private parts. You can also apply this solution on your upper lips hair. After that, wait till whole night and wash it to the next morning with lukewarm water. After washing, you can also apply any moisturizing cream. Try this method 2 to 3 times in a week. And very soon you will notice that unwanted hair from your private part starts disappearing.